downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead and making my way up through the crowd. Oh, oh. 'Cause I need you and I miss you. Now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000.
Hello Jan, happy birthday at saka happy anniversary din sa inyong dalawang lipaw. More birthdays to come at sana magtagal din ang relasyon ni Lipaw. Ingat ka palagi dyan. God bless.
It's always times like these when I think of you and wonder if you ever think of me. Think of me. 'Cause everything's so wrong, I don't belong. Living in your precious memory. Whoa, yeah.
Hi Kuya Jen, happy birthday sa'yo at saka more birthdays to come. At happy first anniversary nyo pala ni Ate Pao. And sana ingat lang lagi.
If I could fall into the sky, do you think time?
Mel, happy birthday sa'yo. Regalo ko Baliktad na ngayon, dapat ikaw na yung magre-regalo sa akin. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa ni ate. Pangit. Ate Pao, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Wish ko sa birthday mo pa sana kayo na ni ate Pao. Bye-bye, ingat kayo lagi.
Drowning your memory, I don't wanna let this go. I don't.
Hi Kuya Jan, happy birthday and happy anniversary sa inyo ni ate. Ingat ka palagi.
Staring blankly ahead, making my way through the crowd. I still need.
Hi Kuya Jen, happy birthday and happy anniversary sa inyo. Ate Pao, ingat kayo lagi.
Wala.
Happy New Year. More birthdays to come.
If I could fall into the sky, do you think time would pass me by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you. If I could just hold you tonight. Baby, I wish you're here, right next to me. But you're miles and miles away from me. Your sweet voice on the phone brings sweet melody to my ears. I could spend my day just listening to it. Time will come, the day we'll be together again, and all the waiting will be worth it for sure. Maybe I thought once that you and I will never work, but I am holding on to your heart over pleasure to me. I am surrounded by ones that are closer, but all say don't bother, 'cause you found another. I never thought we'll be stronger. From sunlight to moonlight, every day I long for your touch and kiss. Only in my dreams I could get closer to you anytime, 'cause there I can fly for free. Why, oh why do I have to be so far away? But for someone like you, I'm willing to stay. Maybe I thought once that I could find another you, but as you see, I was wrong, 'cause there is no one like you. I am surrounded by ones that are closer, but all I can see is you staring, smiling at me. I would never break this promise until the day you say don't bother, 'cause you found another.